Hiya Jack, how are you?
Yeah, not bad, mate. How are you?
Yeah, really well, thank you. Yeah, all good. What's going on?
Well, you know how we've been looking.
Yes.
Well, we've still not found what we're looking for. I mean,
Okay.
currently we're in a terraced house, but we need something detached, really, because we've got a lot of kids and the noise. Could really do with a driveway, maybe a garage. You got anything like that?
Could have something that could be of interest. Yeah, what else is on the list, Jack? What's important to you?
So, ideally something with, you know, a decent-sized lounge, you know, quite a big family, so we're going to need plenty of space for all of us. Fireplace would be nice. And, you know, I mean, I'm looking for a little bit of a project, you know, something I can sort of do up a little bit. You got anything?
Okay, is that cosmetic work or structural work?
I think just cosmetic, you know, just to put our own stamp on it.
Okay, and the kitchen?
Yeah, I mean, don't need to have a massive kitchen, but big enough so as a busy family can sort of get around it all right without being on top of each other too much, you know, that
Of course. Kind of thing. I know you and your partner are into your home cooking, so I imagine a little bit of storage?
Yeah, ideal, yeah.
Okay, and bedrooms, Jack. How many bedrooms are you looking for?
At least 3.
Okay.
Baby can't be in with us forever, do you know what I mean?
No, absolutely. Okay, and but you said a little bit of cosmetic work. You know, could you do a little bit of structural work if push came to shove?
Could do, but you know what I mean? Like, getting ready in the mornings and that'd be handy if we didn't have to be on top of each other. If one's in the bath and the other one can use the loo, that'd work.
Okay, yep.
If there's any built-in storage as well, that might be handy.
Brilliant.
And actually, the third bedroom really is for me to have a sort of a home office. So if there's a room that could work like that,
Definitely.
happy days. What do you think? Is there anything like that on the market you've got? Or?
Absolutely, I certainly think I've got something of interest for you. Just lastly, Jack, garden.
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Defo, yeah. Got to get the kids out in the summer, haven't you?
Okay. What sort of size are you looking for? Condition?
Well,
What's
I mean,
important?
I'm not overly fussed as long as it's a decent size. You know what I mean? I've got green fingers. I'd probably just redo the old thing, to be honest with you, so it doesn't really matter. As long as I've got the space, I'm good.
I think I might actually have something, Jack. But lastly, just tell me, area.
Fant, perfect, you know, near the stations, near the schools, all that kind of stuff.
Okay. And you still commuting to London for work?
Yeah, every day.
Okay, fantastic. So you've got Maidstone East, Western Barracks train stations nearby, so
Perfect.
I think I might just have the one for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, tell you what, give me 10-15 minutes, I'll go back to the office and I'll ping you the details. How does that sound?
Yeah, mate, perfect. Thanks, Sam.
No, you're welcome, Jack. Anyway, good to speak to you, and
Thanks.
yeah, I'll speak to you shortly.
All right, cheers, buddy.
Cheers, bye.
Bye.